What are the Hester M3 PRO cloths made of? How do you maintain them? And how many are needed for cleaning?
The yellow cloths are designed for dry and wet cleaning of surfaces, while blue cloths are intended for polishing clean surfaces. The cloths are made of microfiber, which makes them easy to maintain. To clean them, simply machine wash at up to 30 degrees Celsius, but avoid washing at higher temperatures, as this can cause the cloths to wear out faster and lose their shape. The number of cloths needed to clean a window highly depends on its size and how dirty it is, but you'll most likely need 2 or 3. For optimal convenience, we highly recommend purchasing additional cloth sets together with the robot at an attractive price.